Let's party! I win!
Give me the ball, because I win. That's what I do. That's what I do.
Kennedy is having the time of her life. Any age. You can have fun here. It's so clean.
You ready? You ready to go to the pool? Kennedy, today is your birthday. Happy birthday. I love you. How old are you? You're 2. Good job. We are hitting the road because I'm about to whack you in the head.
Always in the car.
We are hitting the road right now. It is Kennedy's 2nd birthday, which go, shawty. It's your birthday?
Go, shawty. It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday.
Kennedy is 2 years old.
Dose.
We are parents of a 2-year-old. Wrap your brain around that.
She made it to 2. She's still alive.
We did it. We did it, John.
She said,
yeah. Jonathan's sister got Kennedy balloons. This is so sweet. And a cute cupcake, which is perfect because maybe we use that cupcake. We gotta figure it out because I brought candles. But yeah, we're
go to the restaurant, get dessert.
Oh yeah.
Let's go somewhere.
I'm gonna give him my candle.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true. It's a number 2. But I'm so excited. We're on our way right now though to Kalahari. It's an indoor water park. So I've never gone to the water park before. This is our first experience.
Number 1. But she's 2 today, right? No?
What?
Cut!
Number 1, what?
I thought that was gonna flow better.
We're gonna have a really good time. Kennedy's obsessed with the water. And it's so funny because this morning she had her life vest on. She wouldn't want to take it off. She didn't want to take it off at all. She knew she was going to the pool. But not right then with her whole outfit on. She didn't, gotta put your bathing suit on, baby girl. Alright, but we're on the road. We have a 2-hour road trip. And I'll hop back on once when we get there. Yay! Okay, I think that's it. Oh, shoot. Oh my God, Kenny! It's your birthday! That's you smiling. Munch, where are you? You're on Kalahari. She wants her cupcake.
What do you want to do?
Oh, okay. Okay, so we made it. We're at Kalahari in Pennsylvania in the Poconos at Kennedy. We're matching, by the way. Woo! Woohoo! We came here for Kennedy's, like a nice 2-night birthday celebration. She's 2. It is unbelievable. It is crazy. But the minute we got here, we ran to the water park because it was just so late. We got here at like 4:35 and then ran to... Look, let's talk. Really quick, okay? So we ran to the...
Daddy, go back.
Daddy, come back.
Daddy, go back.
Daddy, come back. Daddy's gonna come back. So we're staying here for 2 nights, and we have just a regular room, nothing too fancy, but clean and nice. So you walk in here, boom, that is our door. There's a mirror right here. Okay, don't mind Kennedy in the background. She's playing with balloons, but right here we have a mirror. That is a botch job. Okay, I wanted the happy birthday to go right here. However, there's nothing for me to hook it on and I didn't want to tape it. I felt like, I don't know. But this to me isn't even a better job. And it keeps, okay, just don't look at it, but I'm gonna probably fix it. But yeah, anyway, this is the sink. We have right here food. We just ate and then took all of our food back here. Just our toiletry bags are right here. This is like candles for when we sing happy birthday. Kennedy is playing with lights. Then over here you have a mirror, which is very nice. Me and Kenny are matching today. Go ahead, Ken. This is the bathroom. It's very, very clean. We just have our bathing suits like hung up and stuff. Nice flooring. A bathroom. We're gonna take a bath or a shower, okay? Kennedy was throwing all the pillows. So this is what our room looks like now that it's a mess. Tech stuff over here. This is also very cool. There's like a pull-out couch. So after seeing our chaotic room tour, so far we're having a really good time. The theme park the water park is so nice. Really, 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 really nice actually. And Jay's like, we should come back for a date night or a day or something so that we can enjoy like the other fun rides that they have, because we're chilling at the kiddie station, you know? So, which is cool too. She's like enjoying going on like these slides and stuff, and Kennedy's too. So keep that in mind if you're gonna go and take a trip to Kalahari, that like, there's stuff for literally every age. Which is nice. Like she's swimming, she loves the water. Right, Kitty Benny?
The ball.
The ball is in the water. She's playing basketball in the water, right? You were playing with Dad?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
I just...
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly. She was kicking balls. She was going down the slides. It was so cute. Definitely bring like your own life vest, water shoes, right, Kenny? But we had a really good time. We got a locker and yeah, was able just to like freely walk around. Like it felt so comfortable and easy and nice. Okay, so now that I'm over here because I can. Being a mom literally changes the way that you wear bathing suits. Oh, and also we have Super Bowl going on in the background. But anyhow, it changes the way that you wear bathing suits. I no longer can really wear, no, you really can't wear a two-piece with Kennedy because Kennedy would like, at first it was because of breastfeeding. So like she was like, ah, like so she would literally, it's impossible. So now I got one pieces and I wore a long sleeve one piece today. And if I have a picture, you know, I'll put it up or something. This one piece, oh my gosh. Do not sleep on Marshalls. Marshalls is so good. I feel like Jonathan's here.
Yep.
Jay's back. Woo! But don't sleep on Marshalls. I was so shocked at all the great things that I got. I found CalPack. What are they called, babe? Divider bags. I'm saying the wrong word, but they're amazing. The quality of them was actually like really nice. I got some Amazon ones, which are great too. Like, I'm shocked. I'm sorry. I'm looking at this game too, and then they keep going to Taylor Swift every 2 seconds. Anyhow, all right. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I think we're gonna have a really fun time another day. We're gonna have a nice slumber party in here, and I'll show you some stickers, Kenny. And I'll touch base tomorrow.
Yay! Thank you. How old are you? 2.
Kennedy, it's so dark. You ready to open up the blinds? Good morning. Wow. The lighting in here. This is great. The other side, I guess you'd see like the outdoor water park. And the amount of people that are here, which isn't too bad. I mean, I think it's kind of crazy that it's a Monday and we're not the only ones. Like, I thought we would be the only ones here, but everyone else took off of work too, I guess. So that over there is the restaurant that we went to last night. It was so good. Jay got takeout. It was so good. It was so good. So we're about to get our day started. We'll probably go to that place tonight. But yeah, good morning. Kenny, let me see your shirt. Let's party. No one went to school today. So yesterday we got 2008, which is the year that me and Jonathan started dating, and today we got 1054 of our locker, which is the year, well, not the year, the time that Kennedy was born. Totally random.
Random. We didn't do that on purpose. It just happened like that.
Yeah. But it's cool. Everything is cashless here, so...
You gotta use the phone for everything.
Yeah, and then Jonathan's paying for the locker right now. So yesterday we paid for a $30 one, which is like the bigger ones. And then these are $20 for the small one. Kennedy is having the time of her life. Any age. You can have fun here. And it's so clean. It's really nice. I'm so glad we came.
What? No, I think you have to press it here. Yeah. Go. Go. Alright, let's go. Let's go to the next
Like that. Go.
Nice shot. Shoot. Sweet shot. Yellow player, shoot.
Back over here.
Red player, shoot.
Oh!
Shoot. Hurry up.
Hurry up! Go!
Oh!
Oh! What a waste!
Another shot.
Give me the ball, because I win. That's what I do. That's what I do.
Let's go, Dad! Let's go, Dad!
5,000.
Good job, Ken! Yay! That's what I said! No! 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 You're in second! We did it! Good at me, Daddy?
You win.
I win!
Every week has a
Look
winner.
at this. We got a big ticket. Daddy? We did it! Yes! Get it, Daddy, get it! Get it, Daddy, get it! I don't even know how many we have so far, but... Oh! 614 so far. Jay, you have it in your pocket, too. Mommy's hungry. Ken, what do you want to eat? Okay, ready? Say cheese like that. Cheese. Look, look, look. Ken. Teeth. Yay! Kennedy, it's your birthday. How old are you?
How do you
How old are you?
do? Oh,
2.
wow.
Like that, baby. Happy birthday. Say bye.
Bye.